When he's ready out of the Cardinals organization. Brings home a fastball and misses up and away for ball. Right-handed batter on this 1-0. Takes up and away again, same spot. With a lot of talent, you can tell the stuff is there. There's a strike, it's 2-1.
So much opportunity.
2-1 outside. That was a non-competitive pitch. So an unearned run on Lynn. Next pitch is hooked foul on the ground.
Wings.
3-2. Fastball up and away, ball 4. Pitch from Lynn. Swan on and miss for strike 1.
That's the thing with Hurley.
Taylor at first, the 0-1. That skips away from the catcher Galiz and goes to the backstop. So a wild pitch, the second of the game for Lynn, though batting just 105. 1-1. Climbs above the zone.
Infield dirt.
2-1. Floats high and away. As going back to the 18. As that's slashed in the air down the left field line. Fair ball inside the line. Takes a wild kick off the sidewall. Jack Hurley is going to have his third Fall League RBI as he plates Will Taylor. And now it's 4-2. They get a run back.
And fair by about a ball or two.
There's a Rockies prospect in Braylon Wimmer that has eclipsed 10 runs at least in 4 games. As Braylon Wimmer taps it foul. Who can absolutely mash. 1-1. And Wimmer takes a slider that travels outside. For an arms, very talented arms. 2-1. There's a strike. Guys like Chen Wei next year. If all goes well, maybe make a late season debut. 2-2 is fouled back. Spent this year is nearly 129 miles per hour. 2-2, it's softly hit to short. Josh Kasevich straightens up and throws in time to first base. Down to third goes. The pitch to Yancel Luis. Hammered down the right field line, but he was a tick early and it's foul. And the pitch. That's very high. 1-1. On the inside corner, a strike. Luis wants to. Bottom of the second. Pitch from Lynn. Lined into left field. It won't matter. Luis dunks it into left field in front of Hernandez. And now it's a 1-run game as Hurley scores from third. To the right of second anymore as David Mershon takes ball 1. Steps off the third base line. There goes the runner from first. It's swung on a miss. The throw down to second. Climbs high. A leaping snag by Kasevich, or the runner at second. 1-1. And a changeup flutters in for a call. 2-1. Runner for third. Galiz's throw. Gets away from Nacho and rolls down the left field line. Luis is up and running. Slightly hobbled. He will score standing up. And Salt River. And then an error to score the runner. It's 3-1 on Mershon, and the pitch from Lynn is fouled away. 3-2. Hoisted out of play off to the left. Play action. Payoff. Mershon takes ball 4. That skips away from Galiz. It's been an active day for Galiz behind the plate. It's about the 4th or 5th time. There's nobody on to advance. Now there's someone on as Jared Thomas takes down and in. 118 games this year. Hit 300. There's a ball down and in. Mershon off for second. The throw will be just a little late. Now Mershon advances. As Salt River looks to take the lead back. 2-0. Thomas hacks over the top and misses. His pass so far today. Next one home is lifted into the air. This will fade at a souvenir to go home. 2-2. Thomas strikes out swinging. Chenwei Lin, with all the erratic pitching he's had in this inning, that was his best slider. Breaks down beneath the zone, right to the back foot of Thomas. And his best pitch of the game is going to be his last. Eric Duncan is out of the first base dugout. He'll point toward the right field bullpen. And a Blue Jays arm is going to join the game. But Chenwei Lin's day is done. Salt River ties the game. David Mershon is aboard with a new pitcher entering when we come back on MLB.com.